Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the functions in the shell script. So before starting the discussion about the functions in the shell script, so I wanted to tell you to watch this video until the end. Then only you can understand how to write the functions in the shell script and how to call the functions in the shell script. Okay. So if you are the new on this channel, please do subscribe the my channel. Thank you. So let's begin the discussion about the functions in the shell scripting. So definition of the shell scripting function. Function is nothing but the block of statement or commands. We can write the function block for reusable that code. Main usage of function is the reusability. Okay, you can write a code once and use many times. For example, first we understand the syntax of the function. Okay, syntax for the function is the keyword and your function name. You can write any function name here. Then bracket, then curly braces open and curly braces close, and you can write your command, any commands here. This is the basic syntax of the function. Okay, let's understand the function by scenario. For example, you wanted to write the print message to the user. For example, I will write one simple function here, $!bin/bash. Please you follow all the standards which I discussed in the previous video. I'm not writing those standards here. Please go and watch the previous video and use those standards here. Okay, now I wanted to print some message, echo welcome to Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Right, I wanted to welcome Raj. Then I wanted to welcome Ram. I wanted to welcome to the Sham on my channel. So if I written a basic shell scripting, so I have to repeat this 3 times, right? So just log in into your server, write function demo.sh, paste it here, and now save and exit. Give a execute permission to our script chmod +x function demo. You can give any name. Now execute our shell script. Now you can see it is printed the welcome to Cloud DevOps Guru channel, Raj, Ram and Sham. Right? Instead of repeating this code 3 times, you can write it one time and use it multiple times. For example, now I will define the function here to print the message. So what is the syntax? First we have to start with the function to define the any function in the shell script. Then what is the, you can give the any name. I am giving the welcome is my function, right? Now what I wanted to print, welcome to Cloud DevOps Guru channel with that name, whatever the name, that name. This is my command. But here you can see, here I wanted to use some arguments. What are the arguments? For example, $1. Whatever the pass when we are calling the function, so that name should be print here, right? So I will define the one name. Name is equal to $1. Here also $name. So this is the argument to the my function. So one compulsory argument to my function, right? So now if you return only function and if you are calling, so now we will see how we can, is it execute of the function or not, we will see. If just return the function, is it enough or not? So I had written the welcome function and I wanted to give already given the execute permission to the my function, execute it, but it is not printing anything, means it is not calling that function. How to call that function? If you want it to call that function, so just you have to write your function name and you wanted to pass the argument. Your first argument of your function will be print with the your message. For example, Raj is the my argument value. Delete it and paste it. Now you can execute your function. Now you can see you are able to print the message. Now you wanted to print, you wanted to call multiple times. So just you can call this one. No need to write each and everything here. Ram, Sham. Simply you can call that function multiple times, how many times you need it. Okay. Now this is a simple function. So why we write the function, we understand, right? Now I wanted to install the package in the Ubuntu machine. How we can install the packages in the Ubuntu machine? We can log in into the server, we run the apt update, right? And also we can write the sudo apt install any package name, whatever the package you needed, that package name. I wanted to write the function for installing the any package which user has passed while calling our function, right? Now just copy this one. How we can write this, right? Instead of echo command, we will write these commands here. Just copy these commands, paste it here. Just add the -y because I don't want to ask that any question while installing the packages. Now dollar, I will define the variable as the package. Instead of name, I will define the package as the variable. Now write, and my function name is the install as the function name. Instead of calling here welcome to Raj, I will call here install, and I wanted to install the tree package, for example. Okay, copy it, vi install function dot sh, open it, paste your code, save and exit, give a execute permission to the function, or give execute permission to the our shell script. Then now execute your shell script here. Pass the password of your user. Now you can see it is updating the package manager. Now it is installing the tree package. So in this way, you can write any kind of function and you can call that and you can use that function in your shell script. So now you can see, just I had installed it. Okay. Now, I wanted to write same function for remove the packages, right? So how we can write a function for remove the packages? Just to copy it. My function name is the remove. No need to update while removing, right? Here you can give the, for removing we use the purge and package name, right? And now I will call the remove function, then our package name, for example tree, copy it and execute the function. Now we will see will it work or not. Delete this one and paste it. Execute our shell scripting. Now you can see it is removed, right? Just if you don't want to ask the any question, just you can add the -y here. So in this way you can write the function for any activity which is repeatedly doing in your script. You can add those code into the function and you can call how many times you want, those many times. You can write once and you use many times. Now, so you wanted to install the package with the, you wanted to pass the package name while running your script. Okay, this is the here we are means here we are passing the package name while calling the our function, but I wanted to pass the package name while running the my script. Okay, just for example, this is the my code. Just you have to update, instead of defining your variable or argument here in the local, just you can define this globally, then take that as the input and call your function without argument. Now let's see. Delete this one, paste it. Let's see, is it work or not? Now I wanted to install now Apache in the server. Apache 2. Now you can see it is updating and it is installing the Apache 2 package into the server. In this way, you can pass your package name while running your script also. So you can write in this way, you can write any kind of the functions and you can use that so many times in your code. So it will help you to make your code standard. So that's it from my end today. So if you need any topics in the shell scripting, if you want to discuss, if you feel that hard to understand, please comment in my video section. I will try to address that topic. So that's it from my end today. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment into the video. Thank you.